down, okay? It's fine. Pag nagsuklay daw ng maraming beses, mabilis daw humaba yung buhok, sabi nila. I'm on vacation. Oh, nice. Where are you right now? Good, good, good. Good, you have vacation. Me, I don't have. I can't afford for vacation. That's why. Sure. Hold your passport. Hello, team. How are you? Long time no see. But now see now. Don't hold his passport. He's on vacation. My family lives in Brazil. Okay. Where are you exactly, Pagadian? No, I'm here in Gipos, Zamboanga del Sur. Poblacion Gipos. It's a municipality of Gipos. Yes. You take off my moderator. Oh. Uh-huh. Because you didn't come in my live anymore. You're gone for how many months? Or I think a year. Maybe. For 1 year. I'm not sure. Where have you been? I'm Brazilian. I am Latin American and I am South American. Okay. Nice. I have lived in the United States of America for 15 years. That's good. It's in year in Margos. Yeah, it is. We're close to Margos. So when you go to Margos, you will pass our place. Like from Pagadian, you will go to Dumalinaw and then like this way turn to Dumalinaw straight to Zamboanga City, and there is like road to Margos, and then next to that is Gipos. Yeah, next to Dumalinaw is Gipos. Yeah, that's it. You can pass here. I have 2 nationalities. Oh, that's nice. Me, only one. I'm only Filipino, Brazilian, and American. That's great. Ha ha ha. La 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 la. Nice one. Dili man ka mo reply dol. Oh, basig busy. Nakita man siguro ni mga ga-live ko. Saan ako pag-reply? Ano? Saan pag-reply ana? Nantag imo akong isyuhan og cellphone nga daghan. It's very nice to ride a overhung tricycle in there. We don't have that now. We change it into bao-bao. They changed already the tricycle. There's few tricycles in the city, but here we have like, you know, we have the bao-bao and we have the payong-payong. What kind of language do you speak? Bisaya, of course. Our dialect is Visayan. And then we speak Visayan at home, and even at school. Unya na lang, dili na ka mag-live. Okay. Pwede ra. Pwede ka, Adzo. Have you been to Margos sa tubig? Oh!